For Electro-Voice have been working with loudspeaker technology for quite a number of years at this point. They've had some great ceiling speaker offerings, but they've decided to go through a bit of a refresh just to make things a little bit cleaner, a little bit easier for the installer as well. We still have the same great speaker technology inside of our Generation 2 speakers. We also have a new, what we call EC lineup of ceiling speakers. Great, affordable ceiling speaker solutions, great for distributed systems for emergency evac style scenarios. The Generation 2, on the other hand, being tuned to be a little bit more full range, also has a sub option as well. Ranges in sizes from 4 to 8 inches, allowing us to also get a high ceiling variant with a much shallower backhand than we used to. The great thing about both the EC and the G2 ceiling speakers is they've been redesigned with a side egress cable connection, meaning you don't need to take the ceiling height into consideration for the cable access, which is perfect for those shallower ceilings where you're not sure whether your speaker's actually going to fit. With the G2s in particular, we have a new mounting mechanism making it easier for the integrators to ensure that life's just that simple. They have these dog ears, which we're kind of used to, but now set with springs. We call this SwiftLock. So meaning when I put it up into the ceiling, it just locks back into place. So with one hand, I can easily put it up into the ceiling. Then I can get my drill and easily and safely put it into place. We still have our great options with magnetic grills now with black, white, and square variants available as options.